Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and switch accounts on Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, all you have to do is simply go ahead first, access your Instagram app and sign in with your existing account. Then tap on this profile icon in the below right, tap on this three horizontal icon on top right. Now tap on this option of settings. And now if you scroll down, you will have this option of log out and add account option, right? So you can simply go ahead, tap on this add account option and tap on this login to existing account, enter your username, found it, right? And now if you tap on this login, you have simply switched to your another account just like that from Instagram. You can do the same again. Go ahead, tap on this profile icon, tap on three horizontal line, tap on settings and privacy, and if you scroll down, you can simply go ahead, tap on this add account option again and log into existing account and enter another account's information. Tap on login and you will be able to switch to your Instagram account, other Instagram account, just like that. Again, you can also choose to log out like that. Tap on log out, and again if you open Instagram app, you will find your another account options on top. You can choose whichever one you want and you can simply go ahead, continue with Instagram just like that. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.